Two policemen are facing various criminal charges in connection with the killing of motorist John De La Riarte. The full story from Ria Fernandez.
The video shows policemen from PNP Highway Patrol Group and MMDA personnel punching motorist John De La Riarte, 27 years old, while he was standing and handcuffed along EDSA Makati. The video also shows the man exposing his tongue while seated along the walkway. Last July 29, De La Riarte, who was on his way for his first day at work, was arrested by authorities after his motorcycle bumped into the back part of the vehicle before him. Moments later, he was reported dead as he allegedly attacked arresting officers. PO3 Jeremiah De Villa and PO2 John G. Manonog of HPG, who allegedly fired a gun to De La Riarte, is now under probe. In Krames' post-mortem report, De La Riarte acquired 2 gunshots, but the bereft family was not convinced, and so they sought help from the public attorney's office. Pau's autopsy report did not match with Krames, revealing the shooting on De La Riarte was intentional based on the nearness of gunshots to his body. According to Dr. Erwin Erfe of Pau Forensic Laboratory, 5 bullets hit De La Riarte, resulting to 7 gunshot wounds. He also had abrasions on his body.
Yung isa po ay contact gunshot wound. Ibig sabihin nakadikit yung baril sa dibdib niya. Noong binaril siya dito sa dibdib. No? Yung isa naman po ay, ang trajectory po nito ay paitaas. Yung tama po niya dito sa lower back, sa right side. Ang trajectory po ay pababa. At ito po ay near contact gunshot wound. Ibig sabihin nun, malapit na malapit, halos dumikit na. Yung dito po sa this part, sa pelvic area, at saka dito po, natama niya. Dalawa po ang tama niya dito eh. Yung isa, direkta po dito, perpendicular. 85 degrees yung sinukat po namin. No? Yung isa po dito ay compound or complex gunshot wound. Ang ibig sabihin ay merong grazed wound at saka po pumasok. So gumasgas muna siya sa hita bago pumasok.
Aside from this, Pau learned that the 30,000 pesos worth of cash which De La Riarte brought with him was missing. The 2 policemen are now facing numerous cases, including violation of Anti-Torture Act, murder, and robbery. Pau also recommends to NAPOLCOM to charge the 2 with administrative cases. Meanwhile, De La Riarte's family reiterated he's not involved in drugs.
Tuloy nga po na walang lihim na hindi mabubunyag. Kahit anong kasinungalingan na pinagtakpan niyo yung pagkamatay ng kapatid ko, nahanap pa rin namin yung katotohanan.
For PTV News, Ria Fernandez.
Ako po si Cathy San Gabriel. Subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang po ang subscribe button.